Hi everyone, welcome to DataScene. In this video, I will show you how to compare two lists on Excel. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the videos. So we will use this Excel document for this tutorial, and you can also download the file in the description section. And as you can see on the left side of the worksheet, there are some product codes and base prices. And on the right side, we have the discounted product codes. So my purpose is finding which product codes I will apply a discount on the left table according to discounted product codes. So for this, we will use an Excel advanced Vlookup formula that we will combine with the ISNA function. And after that, we will implement this formula in the conditional formatting. So let's start with applying the formulas, and I'm typing the equal sign on the discount cell and then typing Vlookup, and then I use the parentheses. So I'm choosing my lookup values, which is the product codes, and then I'm typing the comma button, then I'm choosing a table array. And I also need to lock this section because this is gonna be the stable, not the, and it's gonna help you for the make it more dynamically. So that's why I'm using the F1 and F4 if you use a Mac, and then typing the comma button, and then 1, then 0. So as you can see here, if is there any discount, you will see the NA, and if there is no discount, you will see the numbers on the right side. So since it's gonna be a little bit hard because it's NA and there are some numbers, so I want to use the ISNA function to make it more like a changing in it's like a volume variables. So for this, I will insert the ISNA function, and then you'll see the true and false. So my formula is ready right now, and what I'm gonna do right now is implementing this formula on the product codes. So for this, I click my formula section and then copying it, and then clicking the ESC button. Then I'm coming to my product codes again, and I click the conditional formatting, new rule, and you will see the use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I click here and then passing my formula exactly here. So after that, I click the format and choosing the field, and I'm choosing a color. So as you can see here, there are some green backgrounds and white backgrounds. White backgrounds means you will apply a discount, and in the green ones there will be no discount.